Hi everyone. In this session, we will discuss about Class 10 CBSE Term 1 and Term 2 syllabus. Okay. Recently they changed pattern. Okay. Term 1 we have 8 chapters. Term 2 we have 7 chapters. What are the 8 chapters for Term 1? First chapter, real numbers. And chapter 2 polynomials, and chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, this is third chapter also there. And after 4th chapter and 5th chapter term 2, and 6th chapter triangles. Okay, triangles. And the 7th chapter coordinate geometry, chapter 7. Next chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry. So I am writing only trigonometry. 9th chapter application of trigonometry term 2. 10th chapter circles also term 2. 11th chapter constructions also term 2. Okay. 12th chapter areas related to circles. Okay. Chapter 12. 13th chapter surface areas and volumes term 2. Probability next. Okay. Statistics term 2. 15th chapter probability term 1. These are the chapters for term 1. Okay, in this marks real numbers 6 marks, polynomials and pair of linear equations 10 marks, triangles 6 marks, coordinate geometry also 6 marks, trigonometry 5 marks, areas related to circles 4 marks, and probability 3 marks. So total 40 marks, right? And more 10 marks internal assessment. For internal assessment 10 marks. So total 40 plus 10 50 marks, right? This is term 1 syllabus and weightage marks for each chapter. Clear? Now term 2. So here in term 2, chapter 4, quadratic equations, chapter 4, and chapter 5, progressions. So simply writing AP, arithmetic progressions. Okay. Next, chapter 9, application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry. Next, chapter 10 circles. Chapter 11 constructions. Chapter 13 surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes. Chapter 14 statistics. These are the chapters. 7 chapters. In term 2 we have 7 chapters. So weightage. Here quadratic equation and AP 10 marks. Okay, application of trigonometry 9 marks, and circles and constructions 7 marks, surface areas and volumes 6 marks, and statistics 8 marks. Okay, now 19 plus 7 26, 32 40 marks, right? Again same, internal assessment 10 marks. Internal assessment 10 marks. So total 50 marks. Okay, for understanding I am writing here internal assessment. Internal assessment 10 marks. Here internal assessment 10 marks, and even in term 1 also internal assessment 10 marks. So what is internal assessment means? PTs, okay, project works, portfolio, these all together they will calculate, okay, 10 marks. This is our term 1 and term 2 syllabus for academic year 2021 and 2022. Okay, and here moreover deleted portion exercise